A near $2 billion bid for Blackmore's. We revealed the tech giant making a killing, and the song Ed Sheeran is alleged to have stolen. Trading Up, a collaboration by the West Australian and Grappa. Japanese drinks giant SKYROCKET today announced a takeover bid for vitamin maker Blackmore's. The deal values the iconic Aussie brand at almost $2 billion. Nobody's happier than major shareholder Marcus Blackmore. It was Marcus's dad that started the company back in the 1930s. Marcus owns 18%, so Blackmore Jr. is going to get a $340 million payday if the sale goes through. Blackmore shares were up 22% on the news, meaning shareholders are going to be rewarded for taking their vitamins. Not such good news though for the gold miners today. Newcrest and Northern Star both announced a drop in production for the March quarter. Newcrest is currently a takeover target for US resources giant Newmont, and it says it's still optimistic that it's going to reach its production targets. Still to come, the song that landed Ed Sheeran in court, and the tech giant raking it in. Stick around. Moving on to the markets, and it's time for Grappa's dark horse of the day, Telix Pharmaceuticals. The health stock, which released promising quarterly results earlier this month, has climbed 54% in the last 30 days. Something else that's so hot right now, EVs. Global electric car sales jumped by 55% last year, according to the International Energy Agency. 10 million more EVs hit the road in 2022 than the previous year, and China accounts for 60% of the market. The good news for Aussies is that EVs need lithium to put in their batteries, and we've got tons of the stuff. With a rise in demand for their product, lithium miners such as Alchem and Pilbara Minerals could benefit. And now the song that's causing Ed Sheeran a headache. His 2014 smash hit, Thinking Out Loud. Family of the late Marvin Gaye say Sheeran's song is a rip-off of the US crooner's classic, Let's Get It On, and they're suing him for royalties.
Will your eyes still smile from your cheeks? I've been really trying, baby.
The British singer denied the charges in a New York court this week. The case comes as Ed Sheeran prepares to launch a North American stadium tour and release a new album. All publicity is good publicity, right? And finally, Mark Zuckerberg's Meta is back in the money with a quarterly profit of $43 billion. Shares in the US tech giant were up nearly 10% on the news as the figures beat analyst expectations. What was behind the surge? Certainly not the metaverse. It was good old Facebook ads. Apparently, Chinese retailers have been buying up Facebook ads to target people in other markets. So that's why I've been getting Alibaba ads in my Facebook feed. You can find out more business news on thewest.com.au, or to see all the data and insights behind this video, check out grappa.com. Thanks for joining me on this episode of Trading Up. I'm Heidi Cuthbert. See you next time.